Hey guys, this is Neil, your Pinoy Plantito. It's a Saturday in the Philippines, and it's another makeover weekend. So today guys, we'll be doing a makeover of this area. And this is the area where I usually film all the video shoots for my vlog because this one has a really good lighting. And I did a makeover of this place. If you want to check it out, it's titled Elevated Deck Sitting Area Makeover a few months ago. But today we'll be doing a makeover of this place yet once again. What gave me the idea of doing this, guys, was because some friends came here yesterday and they did a photo shoot. It was kind of short notice that I didn't really have time to prepare. It was a really bad time because I haven't been very attentive with my plants and my garden for the past month because I'm in a review and I'm in another place. I just go home to water the plants and not really like do a lot of stuff here than I would love to. So before coming here, I told them that my garden is not in its best look right now, and they say it's fine. So they came here yesterday to do a photo shoot for her 30th birthday. And actually, guys, one of the most photographed spot in my garden is my tropical corner. And as you can see, a lot of people really wanted to have a picture there. But the thing is, it's already gone. I took all the plants out. I removed the wooden platform and basically everything. This is how my tropical corner looks now. And if you have seen my creation of the tropical corner, it looked so different, way different. And you cannot imagine that this space is the tropical corner. And the reason for this is because I'll be doing a renovation of my house, and this is a part of my house, and this tropical corner is too near the house, so it will be affected by the construction, definitely. And so I have taken out all the plants from this space. The only space left where they can do a photo shoot is this area, and it's not even really great that time in the vertical garden. So what I did was I did a little arrangement of the space that just make it presentable and more appealing in pictures, but it wasn't really that much. So they contented themselves to sit on the racks, and it was really not what I imagined it could be, only if I had the time to make an arrangement of the place. But nevertheless, it was a great photo shoot and we had fun. And the good thing about it is that it gave me an idea to do a makeover once again of this place, because the construction will be, it's not gonna last for a few days. It's gonna be for maybe a few months, and rather than have all those plants just stacked everywhere, might as well put them in a semi-permanent space where they can thrive and the garden will still look amazing. So that's what I thought of doing today. It's not gonna take us a long time, guys, to do this. I estimated to be done, to be finished in 2 hours. So, oh, by the way, guys, if it's your first time in this channel, I would like to welcome you and thanks for dropping by. I hope that you can make this as your home channel, and would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel if you find the videos here helpful for you. This is all about tropical gardens, garden makeovers like what we're gonna do today, and plant traveling, plant care tips and techniques, and just basically everything about plants. So feel free to like and share some of the videos here as well. This is how it looks right now, and it's not that bad, but there are just unflattering areas like that area. I'm gonna put maybe a big elephant ear over there, and the good thing here is that it has this plant rack, which will help us a lot already in stacking the plants and layering the plants. So it has a plant rack on both sides, and a lot of plants here it will stay that way. We will put like bigger plants on both sides so that there will be like a cascading effect. So I'm excited, guys. Let's do a makeover today. Boom. I've already changed in my working clothes. Let's do this. Alright guys, we're done with the whole setup. It's just so easy and so fast. I think I'm finished in 1 hour. And I'm just gonna water the plants, and right after that, I'll give you a quick tour. Okay.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, yeah.
So that's about it for our quick makeover video for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again next time. Coffee?